Hey girlies, it's Augusta. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you part 2 of my huge White Fox haul. Definitely go check out part 1 after this if you haven't already, I'll link it below, as well as subscribing to my channel. I actually only intended to do one White Fox order, ended up loving my pieces so much that I placed another order after I filmed that video, giving you all the inspo for your summer 2025 outfits and trends. This haul is mostly focused on their activewear lines and a couple going out outfits, so I'm super excited to show these off for you guys. First up, I got this super cute pink dress. It's almost like a two-piece set, but it's actually attached and has a mesh in the middle but a cut out, almost like a bikini, like solid opaque part at the top. Pink is just so in at the moment and it's really giving it girl energy. I also love any pastel colours for summer, and I think this would be so cute with some kitten heels and a little clutch bag. This is the Cool Me Up maxi dress in baby pink, but of course they do come in other colours as well. You can tell that the material is double lined and very thick. It feels like very high quality, so it's only see-through on the mesh part around the stomach where it's obviously meant to be. It also has these adjustable straps, which you know I love, because then you can make sure it fits your body perfectly to a T. I cannot wait to be wearing this, and it's defo going to be featured on my Instagram, so stay tuned. Next up, if you don't have a classic corset in your wardrobe, this is definitely your sign to get one. White Fox has so many corset tops to choose from. I have so many featured in part 1. I love them so much that I ended up getting a more basic one. That's this just nice chocolate brown corset top, very simple. Nice bodice with a lacing up the back so you can make it fit your body exactly and cinch you. I find that corset tops, especially with these ties, are so flattering and you can really make them fit your body perfectly, getting that hourglass vibe. Also so nice that it's off the shoulder, so it's giving a very sophisticated, showing off the décollage. I feel like that's so sophisticated, especially if you put some body glow or highlighter on your shoulders and collarbones. It just looks so classy, showing off a bit of skin without being super revealing. You go with a cute pair of low-rise jeans, either flared or baggy, as well as a bunch of skirts and heels for a more classy and elevated night out. This is the Let It Go Strapless Bustier in chocolate. I think they also have it in grey, so if you have more cool undertones, I think that would suit you really well. But having staple basics that look high quality and structured like this is the key to building your it girl wardrobe. Next up, we have this beautiful wine red bustier corset as well. I actually featured this in part 1 of the first White Fox haul, but I decided to size up, and I think this size will be a bit more flattering, so I decided to go from an extra small to a small. Love is all around bustier in shade wine, and I am obsessed with this V cutout. It's just so classy. It's structured and wide, so you don't have to worry about the girls slipping out. And it also has these lovely adjustable straps once again, so you can make it nice and secure, as well as the lace up the back, so you can really get it to fit your body properly. Even has a zipper at the side to make it easier to put on, because I know putting on a corset top can be a struggle, especially the ones with the little metal loops. So this one is just going to be so much easier to slip on with some jeans and heels, or a nice long white maxi skirt or mini skirt. I just think it would be so classy. Cannot wait to style this one on a holiday as well this summer. Those are the more elevated, classy night out kind of vibe pieces that I got from this haul, and the rest of this haul is activewear. I usually buy my activewear from actual activewear brands, but I ordered a set from White Fox, which I showed in my first haul, and I was obsessed with how soft and comfy the material was and how flattering it was. So I highly recommend getting some sets from White Fox. First up, for activewear, I got this blue set. I actually showed this same sports bra in pink in the first video, and I loved it so much and how flattering it was that I decided to get it in another colour. This is super nice with its twist at the front, very flattering on the front, and has these nice crossover straps in the back but still one across the back, so it's not too loose. I've actually worked out in the pink one a few times and I can say it was a lot more secure than it looks. This is the high definition sports bra in baby blue. Obsessed with this light blue, and you can tell by my nails that I'm in my light blue era this summer. I've always been a pink girl, as you can see obviously, but I'm really tapping in to wearing more light blue this summer. I think it's perfect, giving ocean vibes, coconut girl, like seashell vibes, and I think it's really going to be having a comeback. Nothing makes you feel more like that girl than wearing a workout set for your hot girl walk, or to go get a matcha or a latte, or to go do some Pilates, or even just a home workout. Of course, I had to get the matching shorts. These are the Keep Up high-waisted shorts in 4 inches in baby blue as well. Love that it's the perfect shade match. They also have a few different styles. I got these shorts in charcoal grey as well in the 3.5 inches, so they have a few different lengths to choose from depending on what you like, but they are super comfortable. They're nice and tight but not too tight. I sometimes find shorts can be too tight, and these are super nice and soft. The material is really soft but still stretchy, so I feel like this is my new go-to workout brand. Secondly, I went for a more bold workout set. I decided to choose this bright red shade because nothing says summer more than a red outfit. This one I decided to get a top instead of a sports bra, so if I feel like being more covered one day, I can wear a top to mix and match this top with some black shorts, or the shorts with a black or white sports bra, etc. You get the vibes. It would also go with grey. Is the body pump crop in shade cherry red, and it pairs together with these shorts, which are the Shift mid-rise shorts in cherry red as well. I feel like because these shorts are slightly shorter than the blue pair, it's nice that I have a full-length top that will look like it's a full cohesive set, and it has a built-in sports bra inside, as you can see, with removable pads, which we love. I think all the sports bras have removable pads, so you can keep them in or take them out, whatever you like. Finally, I have a very similar set in black. It's obviously the exactly same top as the red one, the body pump crop in black. I decided to get this top because I feel like it could mix and match with literally every single workout bottoms I have, leggings or shorts or anything, and I needed a staple black workout top because I had a white one, and if you don't have a black workout outfit, you really should get one because it's going to go with every single workout outfit that you have, and it's also going to be such a cute chic set, and it's also a bit more toned down than a bright colour. So if you want to look cute with that set aesthetic but you want to not like stand out too much, I would definitely opt for a black set. I got the matching shorts. I only got shorts in this haul because I have a lot of leggings, but they do have plenty of lovely flattering leggings on the White Fox website. This is the Shift mid-rise shorts in black as well, same as the red ones. I basically got the exact same set in 2 colours. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I post daily YouTube shorts, and I also post weekly regular uploads, so I'm going to link that all below, as well as my socials, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a like. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. Bye.